I said, don't talk about my mom! Bruce! My son!
Raine. Since when did Raine become this strong?
I knew it. My little brother is something special. Yes.
My son! Son, are you okay? Son, don't scare me. You little bastard. You dare to hurt my son! I'll make you pay with your life! Ian! That's the deal! You win or you die! What, you can't take a loss? Stalin! Get out of my way! I'm going to kill this bastard today! Raine's my blood. You don't get to lecture him. Fine! Then I'll break you first! You little bastard! Die! Raine, look out!
Raine! Dodge it!
Kid's frozen in fear, huh? Can't even move a muscle.
Come on, that's the Titan Commander's full blast. That thing sinks light warships. No problem.
No way! Is this kid crazy? Catching a main cannon with his bare hands? That's suicide!
Way to go, Raine.
What? That's impossible! Wait, one punch dropped the Titan Commander? Did I just see that?
What the hell? That little shit. He really just sent Ian flying.
That punch. Even I'd struggle to take it. Who is this kid? How is he this terrifying?
General, this circus is over. Can we announce the results now? Winner of the Star Ring Vanguard trial. Hold it! Greetings, Inspector General. Big brother, you finally made it.
Trouble. I know.
Winner of the Star Ring Vanguard trial, Bruce of the Titan Fleet.
Knew it. They'd never let a kid like that win.
But remember Article 106 of the Star Ring Vanguard Code? Of course I remember. Article 106 of the Vanguard Code clearly states, individuals with inferior genetic makeup
unclear origins, or disgraceful character are not to be admitted into the Vanguard.
This kid's mother is just a low-born prisoner from the Falcon. She threw herself at the captain to move up, and out came this low-life miner.
If you let low-bled blood like this into the Vanguard, once the Grand Marshal finds out,
they'll haul your ass to interstellar military court.
Well,
outrageous! How dare they look down on our student's background?
Stupid bastard.
Inspector General! Everyone in this star sector knows that Raine is my son. He's with the Falcon.
And Irene, his mom? Whatever her story was, I brought her on the Falcon 2 decades ago. We filed our marriage with the Federation before Raine was even born. Legal. You talk about inferior genetic makeup, unclear origins, disgraceful character, that's all total garbage. Nonsense!
All right.
then tell me this. That prisoner slut came onto you, slept her way up, got knocked up, and used that baby to crawl out of the camp and onto your ship. That's what happened.
Someone as dirty as her, never setting foot in the Star Ring Vanguard.
Inspector General Butcher! I see it now! You're only here to protect your own Butcher family! I won't accept this! How dare you! You saying I used my position to get ahead?
Inspector General, no matter how high your rank in the Vanguard, you can't just cover up the truth. The facts are right there. Raine won fair and square. He's earned his spot.
General! I asked the Grand Marshal to step in. We need justice. And we need it now.
Well,
How dare you! You think you're worthy of meeting the Grand Marshal? These code violations, all of them!
Who do you think you are?
You really think the Grand Marshal would come for you? Greetings, Deputy Commander.
Master! What brings you here?
The Deputy Commander is actually Inspector General Butcher's mentor. I didn't either know the Butcher family had that kind of connection.
Sir! Falcon broke the code. Tried forcing that low-blown prisoner miner into Vanguard and insulted me!
I heard it all.
If we let trash like this into the Vanguard, won't the whole Federation become a universal joke? Get out of here, you Falcon scum!
what a shame. But the code is the code. He should blame his low-born mother.
If his mom didn't pop him out in secret, he wouldn't even be here.
Deputy Commander.
Grand Marshal's coming! He hates rule breakers. Cross him, and your whole Falcon crew dies. Now get lost!
Get lost? Who do you think you are? You're not the Grand Marshal. What gives you the right to tell us to get lost?
You're low-born, that's why! I'm the damn Vanguard Inspector General! And my mentor's the Deputy Commander. You think the Grand Marshal's gonna show up for you? Let me tell you something. Even if he did, he wouldn't waste a second on garbage like you!
Stalin, if you don't leave now, don't blame me for getting nasty.
The Star Ring Vanguard.
Pathetic.
You're asking for it! You dare insult the Vanguard? You think I wouldn't kill you? Who
dares touch him?